I'm going to show you exactly right now today a very quick overview of how you can take one AI tool and completely convert family photos or any other photos for that matter into a coloring book and then actually print the book and color it in. You could use this just for yourself, for your family, or you could turn this into a complete business. Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tyler. You are with What's Next. Without further ado, let's dive into this video. Now, as I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete overview, so I'm not going to get into a lot of detail because it is quite a process. But if you would like the full process, you can go ahead and leave a comment down below, or you can contact me directly and I will actually create a video with all of the steps and all of the nitty-gritty, as well as a PDF folder with all of the details you need. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is jump into Coloringbook.ai, and this is the first place that we're going to start. This is now where we're going to upload our photographs. It does have a feature if you are using their premium to actually upload a whole bunch of photographs all at the same time, and then the opportunity to have this made into a storybook immediately with just a few clicks. But this is not the feature that I'm going to be using because I'm actually using the free version. So all you have to do is upload your images and they'll be converted into coloring book pages. Now, I have attached an affiliate link down below if you want to get started with Coloringbook.ai and have a few extra free credits. You can go ahead and use that link down below in the description as well as the pinned comment. Now, once I've uploaded these images, I basically jump into ChatGPT or Perplexity or any other AI tool and give the chatbot a little bit of detail about what I'd like my story to be about. And if you want to go ahead and add this story to a document on Microsoft Word, just to make sure that you stay organized, you can do so. If you don't want to add a story, you can skip this step altogether. And if you're wanting a story, you basically are going to add in all of your bits and pieces of detail and information that you'd like to have the story be featured. And you can ask the chatbot to recreate or write a story in pieces for you. You need to make sure that each section or per page is per image, so that when you're dealing with the layout and the design elements, that each part of the story relates to the image that is next to it or on the page with it. Now, if you've watched some of my videos in the past, you'll know that I love Canva, which is another free tool, and it has absolutely everything that you could imagine when it comes to design. So this is probably one of the most complex steps in this entire workflow, but it is quite easy once you get the hang of it. Now, if you're only doing this just once, it won't be too much work, but if you are repeating the process, you'll be able to make a template and you'll be able to really just continue doing this using your template quite easily. So we're going to use Canva, and I use Canva literally for every type of design project I have. And what we're going to do is open up a new project, and this new project essentially will be the size that we want our book to be. Now, once that's opened, you're going to go and get some rulers and some guides to set up all of your placement, which is going to make your life a whole lot easier if you're doing this on repeat. I like to use frames for my images, and basically this just allows me to create frames and then add the images appropriately per frame. Now, once that's done, it's quite easy to just duplicate the page that you've set up and do exactly the same thing on every other page, just adding the relevant or new content to it. You can do this with the images that you're adding in as well as the text boxes that you're adding. Once you've set up this template, you can repeat this process a lot easier at a later stage. Now, the last thing to do over here is just to make sure that everything looks good. And this is a step that probably most people really miss. So to make sure everything lines up, make sure that there are no spelling or grammatical errors in your text, and basically just understand that the overall product is complete and it really looks inviting if you are going to sell this. You're now going to go and export this as a PDF, and once it's exported as your PDF, you will now go and have this printed. You can send it over to the printer, and my suggestion really is to create a cover page which you will make in color. You can also use an actual photograph or a collage of photographs of what the story is about. You can even print the page, color it in, and then upload it again and have a digital copy of this. to make your cover page. This is not really the best option because it is quite time consuming, but if time is not an issue and you just like to really make it fun, this is a great option. Now, if you just want to do this once for your family or for yourself, then well done. You've reached the end of the video. However, if you do want to turn this into a business, this is the most essential step. Making sure that you have somewhere for your business and your products to actually live. Now, all you need to do is create a website. This can be a one-page website where you can connect your payment gateways as well as an ordering process. This is actually what I did within Lovable.ai. Lovable basically allows you to create websites using prompts and commands. It's AI generated. It's actually really quick, easy to use, and it gives you great results. There are a number of other places that you can go to have this done. You can even build the website yourself by hand, or you can even hire a website designer to do all of this for you. I'm not a website designer. I don't know anything about coding, but I was able to, with a bit of trouble, get through building a website over a period of a couple days, and I eventually did get it right, and now I've got a fully functioning website with an order process, a full product description. I've got all of my other notes and details in order, as well as payment gateways. Basically, this website allows people to place orders and make payments. Now, as I mentioned previously, this is just an overview. If you are interested in a full detailed PDF folder, as well as a video guide to help you get this up and running as a business, you can leave a comment down below. You can also contact me directly from my about page on this channel. I also have a video on Coloringbook.ai that you can check out right over here. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, keep on asking yourself, what's next?